Hello everyone, this is Naman Gupta here from Carsonics Minister Road, Secunderabad, and today we are here to give you a live demonstration, the first day first show of the Pioneer's latest launch 9350BT. This floating display head unit comes with built-in Alexa. It comes with an HDMI port for you to connect your Fire Stick. You don't have to touch your mobile. It has got wireless Android Auto, wireless CarPlay. And the best part, the entire music system can be controlled through your voice commands by giving commands to Alexa. Like Alexa, play the best song. Alexa, play some Bollywood music.
Sure. The station, Bollywood Retro Romance, on Amazon Music.
Alexa, increase volume. Alexa, skip 20 seconds. Alexa, pause. Alexa, 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 Alexa. Now that you have seen how clean and crisp it accepts the normal English Indian accent, that is actually a commendable job done by the Pioneer people. Apart from this, the music system also has got the basic features of Android Auto and CarPlay. But because they wanted to implement something new in this, they have introduced wireless Android Auto and wireless CarPlay today, which you don't even have in the latest 5 series or the latest E-Class. Pioneer gives you this option to have wireless Android Auto and wireless CarPlay in your car music system, which is something amazing. Apart from that, it also has got an HDMI port in it. So what is big deal about HDMI port? You want to see it? I'll just show it to you. Yeah, this is the Fire Stick which has been installed in this Pioneer's head unit. I can operate the entire Fire Stick over here using Amazon Prime Videos, Netflix, YouTube, Amazon Music, Boot, Sony Live, Gaana, Hotstar Plus, Heroes Now, TED, Saavn, ZEE5, whatever I want. I don't have to download. Now this is what I call the next generation music system. Whatever you want on the go, without any hassle of downloading in laptop, copying in pen drive and playing it. And you want to see the clarity? This is a proper 1080 pixel clarity head unit. Whatever movie I want, I can immediately start watching in it on the go. I just get this music system connected to my mobile's hotspot over here, and over here I can operate n number of apps, watch any kind of movies in full HD clarity, and that too all on the go without even downloading it. This is the system I call which is the next generation head unit, and this is something which is latest and trending today. Wasn't this interesting and fascinating? Now this music system comes in 3 models. One is in 7 inches and 2 are in 9 inches. Of those 2 in 9 inches, one is a floating display the way you get in the Audi vehicles and all those ones, and one is a standalone display. We recommend going for the floating display because that you can just remove it whenever you send your car for servicing and maintenance. Plus, one more advantage in floating display is that it gives you a superb clarity and the screen can be adjusted by the angle according to your height. If supposing it's a chauffeur-defer vehicle, we can just tilt the screen towards a little in the front, and if it is a self-driving vehicle, we can tilt it a little towards back so that the clarity is something superb. To know more whether this would fit in your vehicle or not, don't forget to message me, and I will get back to you with all the details. This is Naman Gupta here from Carsonics, Minister Road, Secunderabad. Thank you. Well, there are a lot of other features too, which you can use the Alexa for. There are more than 50 skills Alexa is good in. and that includes your payments, education, shopping, and a lot more. Out of those 50 skills, in each skill there are hundreds of commands it can accept. We also give you an application access in which you can find out what all you can do with your Alexa. You can just say, Alexa, buy me a cycle right away, and it will give you a direct shopping link, and also it will open it up in the music system, showing you the different cycle brands and the options. You just tell it, Alexa, start my day with a Gayatri month, and as soon as you get into the car, first thing that will be done in your car is a Gayatri month would be played. You just say, Alexa, remind me to call so and so person at this time. It will do that job for you. So this is like a personal assistant which we are giving it to you along with the music system. Once you start using it, you'll become so much addicted towards it that you won't be able to use any other system in fact. And trust me, so when I say this, in my life I have never come across a system better than this. The user interface, the touch sensitivity, the features it has got, damn, it is super cool. Plus it comes with 1080 pixel clarity, capacitive touch, and the interface is something ultimate. I still cannot get it out of my mind. So if you want to witness this kind of a clarity in your car, 100% you should think of this system.